Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Where is Brittany. I've been traveling on the road for 5 years now and it's officially time for a change. I've put my home in storage, left my fur baby in the care of her godmother, and now it's time for me to explore and expand my wings outside of the United States. Join me as I navigate life on these international streets as a solo female traveler. Welcome to episode 2 of my journey through Southeast Asia. So far, we left Virginia on a flight to Long Beach and started our 18-day cruise to Tokyo, Japan. Today, we've arrived at our first port, which is Ketchikan, Alaska. Good morning, friends. Welcome to Ketchikan, Alaska. It's raining and wet out, so I'm still in the door. But oh my gosh, it's gloomy, but it's so pretty. I'm gonna zoom in a bit. We still have about an hour and a half until we port exactly, and my day, I'm gonna actually go to the urgent care clinic. So let me close the door really quick. So I have fluid in my ear, y'all, and I can feel it like when I lay down and stuff. So of course I have health care from the VA. I also purchased travel insurance with American Express, and I also purchased the travel protection with the cruise line. So they have Uber here, so I'm gonna actually talk to, gosh, it's so pretty back there. I'm gonna talk to the medical personnel here first and see like if they want to see me for the fluid in my ear, or if they just recommend me going to the urgent care clinic here in Ketchikan. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And you know, I'll just go from there. But all is well. I just don't like that feeling of the fluid in my ear. There's a little bit of pressure and I don't want it to turn into an ear infection. We have 4 ports. Today is port 1 in Alaska, so at least we're still like in the United States, and it'll be easy for me to receive care here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of it before we make our way into Japan. So yes, that's what today is. Today is gonna go ahead and get this ear situation taken care of. But y'all, we made it to Alaska. I can't believe it. Yes. Look at it. Oh yes, when the sun comes out, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be even more magical. This is just amazing. Oh, I love nature. But ooh, it's chilly and it is wet. So it's like 7 o'clock. Breakfast is about to start. So I'm gonna go ahead and do early breakfast because we port at 8:30 and the urgent care clinics open up at 8:30. So I'm gonna try and get off the ship and then just make my way to the urgent care clinic if I have to, if they can't see me here on the ship. But yeah, one last look. Yeah, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm so excited. I wish they had a mirror that wasn't like directly under a light. But here is the look for Ketchikan, Alaska. I did not bring many warm clothes because we're only going to experience like cold weather for maybe 5 or 6 days. And I'm going to be gone for, what, almost 3 months, y'all. So, and everywhere I'm going to be is going to be warm. So I didn't want to pack and waste space. So this is as warm as it gets, y'all, with my sweater. I found a urgent care clinic I can go to, which is like not far from the port, which is great. Yeah, so that's that. I'm gonna go get some breakfast now. Here's breakfast this morning. I have cheese grits, corned beef hash, egg white scrambled, ooh, hash browns. I didn't know I was getting hash browns, and toast. Yay! I ordered a cappuccino. They don't have flavors here, so I'm gonna add honey to it. Friends, I wish you could just smell the air and feel it. It is just so fresh. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at how huge the ship is. Wow, it's absolutely beautiful here. Oh, this is amazing. Alrighty, so I found the urgent care clinic and it's set that it's only like a 7-minute walk from here. I'm gonna check again to make sure. If I were to be seen on the ship, they would bill my credit card which is perfectly fine, but then I'll have to get like a reimbursement, and I'm not sure how much that's gonna be. And I've already spoken with the VA, so it's just kind of easier to be seen at an urgent care clinic and not have to front any bills up front. So let's make our way to this urgent care clinic and see about these ears. Alrighty, so I'm actually on a shuttle bus to go downtown because Uber was taking way too long to request. I waited like 15 minutes for them to try and find a driver. And I spoke with one of the ladies inside, and she said it would be better to just take the shuttle downtown and then get an Uber from there to the spot. So that's what I'm gonna do. This was the mudslide that happened right before we showed up.
To the left. See that big empty spot?
Friends, we made it downtown, and I looked. One second. Look at this. This is Princess, the Princess cruise ship. I looked on the GPS, and it's only a 16-minute walk to where I need to go. So, got on my walking shoes, and the shuttle was free to get here, so I just saved 26 bucks from an Uber, and now I'm about to walk. We're in Alaska. All right, friends, the first urgent care that I was gonna go to, they no longer accept VA healthcare, so that was a waste. I called them, they said no. I called the medical center that they have here, and their urgent care clinic is closed today. So that's unfortunate, but I was able to get in contact with another urgent care, and they got me in for 12 o'clock. So I'm gonna go there at 12, and I still have like 2.5 hours before that. So I'm just gonna wander until then and then catch a taxi to that location. It's less than 2 hours away, and taxi seems like it's much faster than requesting an Uber. So yeah, let's explore. Let's see what they got. It smells so good in here. But look, they have teas. Oh my goodness, I'm definitely gonna grab some tea. Tea for two. Look at these, they're postcards, friends. So I will be mailing these out to 2 of you guys. So we'll figure that out later on in the video. But I'm gonna get these for myself. tell you how beautiful it is here and how the air is just so, I don't know, clean and clear. It reminds me of when I was stationed in Washington State. I swear that was like the best air to breathe because you were like right in the mountains, very high elevation, and just wow. So I still have about 30 minutes or so before I need to request a taxi to make my way to the hospital. I purchased some teas and honey and things like that, and I'll figure out somehow at the end of this video how I'm gonna do the postcards with the 2 teas in it to send out to one of you, my friends, for joining me on my crazy adventures. This is just so nice. I need to find a place where I can just sit and just look, because it is so beautiful here. It's just so pretty. Look at this. This is amazing. Okie dokie, my friends, I just got finished with my appointment, and basically there is fluid behind both of my eardrums. I was given some instructions for ear rinses. 1 second, it's a plane. I was given instruction to rinse my ears 3 times a day. I just got that. Also some Flonase. There's a whole little thing, and I'm gonna walk over to their grocery store because I need to get distilled water. I can't use tap water, so I'm gonna do that. And I also got a refill for my allergy medicine. They said that'll help as well. And it was covered, so the only thing I had to pay out of pocket was for the things that I purchased in the pharmacy, which came to about like $60 something, which isn't bad at all. So they said it could take about 2 weeks for things to kind of dry up really well, and that's great. We're only on like day 4 of the cruise, so by the time we get to Tokyo, I'll be good to go, friends. So let's make our way. We have like a 4-minute walk to the grocery store to find this distilled water. It's not far at all. That's the spot right over there. Apple ginger lemonade. I am getting this for the road. Yummy. Oops, sorry, can you see it? It says agave, apple, lemon juice, ginger, and water. But this is a really nice grocery store. I'm tempted to actually like buy some things, but I'll have to carry all this stuff back. So yeah, let's find this distilled water. Oh my gosh, look at these flavored ginger ales. Blood orange, pomegranate, jasmine. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. Alright. Steam Mountain Mist distilled water. Easy, easy, easy. Let's see. Oh, that's spring water. Yeah, we're gonna do this one. Oh my gosh. I love these drinks too. Oh, wow. So 260. I mean, yeah, 269. I wonder if 1 gallon is good enough. She just said get a gallon, so that should be good. All right. Alrighty, we are making our way back. Well, I'm making my way back on the ship. This water started to get super heavy, so it's time for me to make it back, friends. And I'm a little hungry, so I'm gonna stop by my room, drop this stuff off, and then it's off to go get some lunch. And it's close to the ship time. It's almost 4 o'clock, so yeah. Well, look at that. This is the first time I had my room done today. Well, on the ship, because normally I don't like people all up in my space. Hey, little guy. But look at this. Have a blessed Monday. How sweet. Here's what I got from the pharmacy. So they recommended me do this 3 times a day. I had to purchase, you know, the distilled water. This is just a extra refill for my allergy medicine, so they, you know, continue to use that once a day. And then the nasal spray, I'm supposed to do that twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. I also purchased these because it was like for dry mouth relief, and my throat in the back, you know, I've been having like dry throat in the middle of the night. So I just purchased that as well. And since it's midday, it's about to be 4 o'clock, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rinse, and I'm gonna record it so you guys can just see it one good time. I've never done a rinse before, but she gave me instructions while we were there, so hopefully it goes as planned. And she said it may feel like I'm drowning, but I'm not. She said you can't drown from up here, you drown from here, obviously. So I'm apologizing in advance if things look crazy, but it goes up your nose. She said have your nose tilted up and then things will flow out. And she said it may come out my throat as well. So we shall see how this experience goes, okay? Like all the way towards the end, I'm like, Brittany, I didn't even shake it up properly. So, you know, that kind of sucks. My first go round, obviously stuff came out, it was coming down my throat or whatever. I felt that. So this was the first rinse. I have to do it again tonight. So tonight I'll remember to shake the stuff around to make sure it's fully dissolved. But that was the first round. So I'm gonna clean this out so it'll be ready for the next use. And remember to shake it up so everything dissolves properly. But yeah, that was it. Guys, burger was the only thing open, but I have a great view. Hope the glare isn't too bad. So pretty. Alright, first drink of the day. I got that spicy margarita pineapple situation again with sugar on the rim. We are moving right along, friends. Super fast it seems. I don't know if we're full steam ahead. But goodbye, Ketchikan. It's been real. Thank you for the medical services that you provided me today. Cheers to Ketchikan. In the last video, I did something that you should never do while in the hot tub. This particular action caused a fluid buildup in my ears. Tell me what it was in the comments below, and I'll select 2 winners for the tea postcard giveaway. Thank you all so much for watching, friends. Bye.